Imagine this. I wake up, check my phone, and boom, notifications telling me I made money while I was asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But with AI tools, it's not just possible, it's pretty routine for me and thousands of other creators. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly which AI tools I use, how I set them up, and the actual strategies that let me earn passive income. 24/7. Let's jump right in. So, what is passive AI income? At its core, passive income is money you keep making with little daily effort after your initial setup. When you pair that with AI, you get tools that write, design, promote, and even sell for you. Imagine launching a YouTube video, an ebook, or even a blog post without spending hours. AI handles the heavy lifting, which means you can focus on growth or simply enjoy more free time. That's the beauty of AI automation. It scales what would take me days into minutes. My first must-have tool is InVideo AI. Picture this. I run a faceless YouTube channel about finance. I want to post every day, but I don't want to write scripts, edit videos, or even record my voice. Here's what I do. I type a topic, like 5 side hustles that work in 2025, into ChatGPT, get a script, then plug it into InVideo AI. InVideo creates the visuals, voiceover, background music, the whole thing. I upload straight to YouTube and earn from ads and affiliate links in the description. It's literally set and forget content creation. Next up, ChatGPT. This tool is my 24/7 research assistant, copywriter, and strategist. For example, I wanted to create a digital product, a 40-page ebook on smart budgeting for beginners. It took me just 3 hours using nothing but ChatGPT prompts. I sell that ebook on Gumroad and promote it with AI-generated emails and blog posts. The result? Sales trickle in even when I'm off the clock. Speaking of sales, Gumroad is my go-to platform for digital products. Once your product is ready, Gumroad handles payments, downloads, customer support, and even promo codes. I bundled finance templates, budget trackers, savings planners, debt payoff sheets, and uploaded them to Gumroad. Now every day I see $20 to $50 roll in from those bundles, no extra effort required. For visuals and branding I swear by Canva. No design skills? Doesn't matter. Canva's templates make it easy to create YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, Instagram posts. Basically all the assets I need to keep my brand sharp and my products looking pro. Whenever I need a new course cover or a Pinterest pin, Canva has me covered. Let me connect the dots with a real-life automation system. Say I want to launch a new product, like the AI-powered budget tracker. Here's how it goes. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva designs the template. Gumroad hosts and sells it. ChatGPT again writes emails to promote it. InVideo AI makes a promo video for my YouTube channel. I set everything up once. And from there, it runs on autopilot. That's true passive income. Now let's talk affiliate income. This is where I earn commissions by recommending other people's products. I use ChatGPT to write SEO blog posts and YouTube descriptions packed with affiliate links. Sometimes I use Jasper or Write Sonic too. Buffer schedules out my posts, so content keeps going out while I sleep, bringing in clicks and commissions around the clock. Ready to start? Here's my simple roadmap. First, pick a niche. Finance, health, productivity, whatever you're into. Second, choose 1 or 2 AI tools that fit your niche. Third, create and monetize one product or video with those tools. And finally, set up automation. Use scheduling tools and integrations to keep the whole system running, even when you're not online. AI-powered income streams aren't just the future, they're happening right now. The sooner you jump in, the sooner you'll see results that scale while you sleep. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in my description for the exact tools I use. Let's make AI work for you. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any big financial moves.